Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Have you heard about Team Copilot yet? It's an upcoming addition to Microsoft's suite of AI tools designed to help your people work better together. There are three main ways it can boost your productivity. It's a meeting facilitator. It takes notes that everyone can see and edit. It acts as a group text chat assistant, summarizing long conversations and answering questions. That makes it easier to stay informed without scrolling through endless chat history. And it's a project manager, creating and assigning tasks and setting goals. It can even draft content like blog posts within Microsoft Planner. Members of your team are notified when their input is needed. It's not a replacement for a human facilitator, but Team Copilot is a powerful assistant for group activities. It's coming in preview later this year for Microsoft 365 customers with a Copilot subscription. We can help you see where Copilot fits in with your workflow. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.